Hi guys, welcome to this Filestage tutorial. You already know how to upload files, how to upload a new version of a file, how to collect feedback. But today I'm going to show you some more advanced features, especially when handling multiple versions of a file. Mainly I'm going to show you how to compare versions, use our auto compare text feature and our new overlay mode. So let's not wait, let's hop right in. Let's imagine we already have uploaded a document file and also a updated version according to the feedback we got. So as you can see up here, we have two versions in this file. As soon as you have two versions of a file, the compare button will be enabled. And by clicking on it, you will activate the compare mode, which by standard shows the latest and previous version side by side. In the side by side mode, you can easily spot differences between the file and see how the file changes between the versions. If you want to compare this version with a different version, you can simply on either side click up here and choose a different version. Currently, we only have these two versions, so we're going to stick with it. To get a little bit more space, I will collapse and hide the comment section and show you some more options that you have. With document files, there's a really cool feature. You can switch to the compare text mode by clicking up here. Now Filestage will automatically highlight changes between those different versions of a file. For example, here you can see it says embracing the journey. In this version, in the updated version, it says embracing the voyage. Filestage spots these changes and highlights them. You can also utilize this side panel here, where it shows you exactly all the changes that have been found. And with a click on one of those words, it automatically highlights where this word exists in the file. You can, by the way, open this for both sides. Simply click here on show changes, and now you have the same view for the first version. But with our latest update, we added a new compare mode. Let me show you with the image file. Same case here. Let's imagine this is an image of a shoe, and we already uploaded the second version of the file. Now we want to compare those versions with each other. You simply click on the compare button again, and as before, you can see both versions of the shoes side by side. Here the differences are very obvious, but in some cases differences might be more hard to spot. So we implement a new compare mode called the overlay mode. To activate it, simply click here on the overlay button, and now you will see the slider here that you can use to change the transparency of the version. So as you can see, by changing the slider, you will slowly see the second version of the shoe. This should help you to even easily spot changes and evolutions of a file.